So,
always bullshit.
make them shrimp. Make sure you put some butter.
You are funny. I love your hair. I'm trying to be like you when I grow up.
Thank you. Just twist it up. Don't touch it. Just twist it up. Just get it twisted. Like get you a loctician and get it twisted. Oh my God, that freeze, like that freeze. I ain't gonna lie, that freeze is killing me. Right, it's the freeze for me. Like look at that. Like I'm not even testing it. That's not even me. Like it's the freeze for me. Like look at that.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Oh shit. Man, it was a freeze for me. Whoa. Oh, the L. The L. It was the freeze. Like, I ain't gonna lie, man. It was the freeze for me, man. I didn't touch it. I didn't do nothing. That wasn't even me, man. Oh, God. Y'all. Oh, my God. This shit was funny, man. Let's see. But you scared. And you scared, too, man. Damn, I missed it. What happened? Look, get over here, blood.
What's the deal, Skoe?
What up, champion?
Hey, I was just watching that interview with you and Cowboy. That shit was funny. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, that shit out already?
Yeah, it's out. I was just watching that shit.
The one from yesterday?
Yeah.
I just did one with that nigga yesterday. It's out already?
Yeah, it's out.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Good looking.
Yeah.
Good looking for tapping in. Like, nigga, I ain't even know that shit was.
Hey, I think you might knock out. I think you might beat up C-Mac.
Bro. Like, niggas be thinking because a nigga big, they gonna win, bro. Like,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've been fucking with you for a minute, though.
You ever fought a big nigga before?
Hell yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Niggas think they big, they gonna win, bro. Like, bro.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Nigga, knock your big ass up, like, right? Do your shit for tapping in for.
All right.
Damn, I missed it. What happened, blood? Look at the way you standing. You ain't missed nothing, blood. I meant to get your ass, blood. This emoji right here looking ass nigga. Hold on, bro. Like, I'm finna get that and pin that. Hold on, bro. Get over here, blood. Like, blood. Wait, hold on. Where that nigga at, blood? Right here. Look. This emoji here looking ass nigga. Let me pin that. Bam, this emoji here looking ass nigga, blah, fuck you talking about, blah, like, blah. You like you dancing to the beat, like, blah, to the rhythm of the beat looking ass nigga, like, blah, look how the fuck you was standing, blah. This emoji right here looking ass nigga, like, blah, I had to pin the emoji just to get the point across, you know I'm petty like that, like, you know I'm 40, but I'm petty as shit, like, blah, you too old to be so petty, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm petty as shit, man. Like, bro, how you gonna be too old to be too petty? Like, bro, fuck that. I'm petty as shit. Like, nigga, reach it, bro. That emoji right there looking at us, nigga. Nigga say you too old to be so petty. How? Like, how the fuck you gonna tell me how petty I should be? Like, man, fuck that. I'm petty as fuck. Oh, well. I'm fucking petty. Oh, God, I'm petty as shit. Fuck you too old to be too petty. My bro, you too petty. You too old to be so petty. Man, shut the fuck up, man. I'm petty as fuck, bitch. Like, man, I don't give a fuck. I'm going to continue to be petty. Like, you think I'm supposed to be old and mannerable. I am, but I'm still petty as fuck, though. That's the thing. Like, I am mannerable and knowledgeable. And I am, like, I do got a good head on my shoulder and all the shit. But I'm still petty as fuck, too, at the same time. Like, I'm all that. Like, I'm all the above. All the above. You boxing C-Mac or what? Like, man, get your big blue shirt. Like, get over here, blood. Big blue shirt wearing ass nigga. Like, blood, what do you mean in my boxing C-Mac or what? Blood, like, blood, that shit, oh, you act like you bringing something knowledgeable up or something, man. Shut your big blue shirt wearing ass shirt, blood. Like, blood, you the type of nigga that go swim with a shirt on, blood, because you don't like your belly and your man nips. Like, blood, you got the man nips and a little belly. Cause you be eating chili cheese fry with the pastrami meat and drinking soda and shit. So you want to come swimming with the shirt on, blood, you fat ass nigga. Like blood, you like a slim fat ass nigga. Like blood, a slim fat ass nigga, but you fat enough. Like blood, you slim enough to where you could be a slim nigga, but then you fat enough to where you are comfortable with it, blood. You slim fat ass nigga. Like blood, get your big shirt wearing ass. So like blood, look at this big ass blue shirt. Like blood, it's 2023. Like niggas ain't wearing no big blue shirt, cuz. I'm just saying, like, what's that for the set day or something? Like, what's that, the set day shirt or something? Like, a big blue shirt wearing it, like, Larry Tree. Like, real niggas ain't wearing no big blue Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I put the house on C-Mac. Blood, get over here, blood. You ain't got no house, you bum ass nigga. Fuck you talking about, blood. Big forehead ass nigga. You ain't got no fucking house, blood. You ain't got no keys or nothing. You never even want to go live, blood. You always be in my fucking comments talking with the same profile pic with that money that you don't got no more. Like, blood, weird ass nigga. Like, that was that day. Like, blood, you ain't got that money no more. That shit gone, blood. But you want to come in here all the time talking and shit, blood. You big forehead ass nigga. Look at your hairline, blood. I don't even trust that, blood. Like, blood, you just start trying to grow your hair when you was like 32 years old, blood. Like, blood, get your old face ass, like, midlife crisis face ass up. Like, blood, like, the fuck out of here, blood. You didn't wait till you like 32 years old to start growing your hair, blood. Now you like 37, but that shit still ain't got no hair, blood. Like, look at that shit, blood. That shit stunning, blood. You know why? The fucking neck braids, blood. The fucking neck braids wasn't meant to grow nigga shit. That's why they call them French braids. Like, remember they call them French braids. Like, you know what? Because that was for French people, fucking white people and shit. Like, blood, that shit wasn't meant to grow niggas here. You know how niggas grow locked up, nigga. United we stand, divided we love. And look at my shit and look at your shit. Like, blood, like you been growing that shit like 7 years, blood. Like, you was 32 when you started growing it. You already started late in the game. Now you're like 37, about to be 38 this summer. Then look at your big head ass, like, blood, that shit still ain't good, blood. Look at my shit, like, blood, you talk, like, blood, I motivated you to start growing your shit. And your shit still ain't caught up. Yeah, blood, like the fucking neck braids. That's why, blood. Fuck them neck braids, blood. Like, blood, for all you black niggas, fuck them neck braids, nigga. Like, bro, you trying to grow your shit, you gotta lock it up, bro. I'm telling you, like, fuck the, I'm a nigga that had neck braids. That shit, I wanted to grow my hair. I wanted to be like Bone Thugs and Harmony and Snoop Dogg. But, like, blood, that shit wasn't growing, blood. And, like, look at me, my shit longer than all them niggas. Like, blood, like, boom, 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 boom. They inspired me to grow my hair. I ain't gonna lie, Bone Thugs. I wanted to be, like, when I started growing my hair, I wanted to be like Bone Thugs and Harmony. And Snoop Dogg, nigga, on Gin and Juice video. And what's my name? Snoop Dogg. Like, I want to be like that. And nigga, look at my shit bracken now. Like, I'm just saying, blood, fuck them braids, fuck them neck braids, blood, retreat. I'ma cut my shit. Yeah, you should, blood. Get over here, blood. Like, yeah, you'll call that man. Like, see, like, how old are you? Like, what you like 38, 39? Like, yeah, cut that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cut that shit, bro. Like, if you ain't like, blood, if you ain't already got it bracking at this point, it's like, it's just ain't happening for you, cuz. Like, it's like, blood, it ain't happening for you, cuz. Like, it's just like retreat, man. Like, just ain't, you know, let that shit go, man. Why there's so many big buff ass niggas in the chat? Get over here, blood. Why you look like you sitting in the motel? Like, why it look like that's the first time you ever got a hotel in your life? And you drunk as shit, blood. You didn't even get no pussy, blood. All you did was go in the room and take that picture, blood. Look, you would have posted something better than that. At least a nigga would have like, blood, what the fuck you in the hotel for? Like, blood, look like a nice room. I ain't gonna lie. The room looked cool, like something by the airport or something, like real cool. But blood, nigga, why would you even take a picture and then you didn't get no pussy, blood? Like all you did was get drunk and shit and fall asleep. Dumbass nigga, blood, you didn't get no pussy, blood. Yeah, you made this bitch waste all the money. You definitely didn't have no money for the room. Like, niggas that paid for the room don't want to think you homeless and shit, blood, but you like, all right, you have some money for the room, like, whatever. Like you had a couple of dollars on it, blah. You know the bitch paid for the room, nigga. Like, blah, Rich, blah. Don't ever sniff coke or Skoe. Like, blah, look at your little shit body looking ass, blah. You look like shitty as fuck, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, blah, it look like you shit on yourself, bro. Like, it look like if a bitch wash your clothes, you always be having boo-boo in your drawers, and she ask you why. Like, blah, it look like a bitch ask you what. Like, blah, seriously, any nigga with a profile pic like that, his bitch definitely asking why he be having boo-boo stains in his drawers. Like, blah, every time she wash clothes, you be having a little bit of boo-boo in there, blah, like, blah, retreat, blah. It's Okay. You did? Yeah, and some chicken, some chicken, some pizza. Yeah, no, me some chicken and some gravy. Yeah. Yeah. You finna go to bed now? Yeah. Go to bed. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. And the baby bus show over. Yeah. It's over. You watching TV? Yeah, my mom can watch the show. All right, good night. Yeah. Lay. Huh? I said lay. I said good night. I lay you. Make sure you be careful. Be careful stepping over that bar. Okay. Good job. Let me see. This big nigga. Black fathers matter. Damn right. Damn right.
Let's go. Hey, how you feeling? Hey, what's up, man? How you feeling, man? How you feeling? How you feeling? I fuck with that. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. Yeah. We celebrating my nephew's birthday, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Skoe gang. Shout out to Skoe gang. Hell yeah. I'm gonna get back to it though. All right, keep it player, homie. Keep it player.
My nigga over there going, hey, you know it's good, nigga. I get over there. Nigga, I get over there and get bright. I see a little me hot. That's what I'm talking about. That shit right there. That's that shit. Like, nigga, that's it. I need to be at that. Like, ain't nobody there look like me. Like, hey, compa, like, this my bro. Like, all I need is blood. Like, hey, this my bro, Skoe. Like, nigga, it's good. Like, hey, compa, like, hey, my friend. Like, hey, ¿tú quieres cerveza? Sí, amigo, sí. Oh, you know Spanish? Sí, poquito. ¿Tú tienes cerveza? Sí. Good. Well, nigga know Spanish. I'm good, man. Come on, bro. You know I'm bilingual, bro.
What's up with Black?
Pasó, amigo?
What's up with my guy, man?
Shit do, bro.
Shit, just chilling, cooling with moms, you know, just sipping on a little bottle.
Oh, yeah, I feel it. I feel it.
What you got going, man?
Oh, man. Smoking, talking shit, regular shit.
Man, I've been fucking with you for a couple of years, bro. You funny as fuck. I'm from the Bay Area, bro.
I appreciate it.
I fuck with SoCal tough though, man. I got family out there, you know.
Likewise.
Migos from.
Likewise. Oh, God.
Yeah, I fuck with my family's from 18th Street, bro. But I'm from Northern California though.
Yes.
But it's all love though, man. They from Inglewood, you know what I mean? It's all love, bro.
Oh, y'all folks from Inglewood, 18?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Jacob, that's my cousin, man. That boy crazy. Got a big ass DC all right there. You know what I'm saying? Real essay, but like I said, I'm from the north, bro. But it's all love. I just want to come up and say, show love, bro.
No doubt.
You know what I mean? It's all love. Black and brown, baby. My mamas, bro. It's a real movement out here in the Bay Area, bro. It ain't like it is over there.
I know it is.
You feel me?
You know I know.
Already know.
You know I know.
Exactly. But yeah, man, I just want to show love, bro, and then say so with it.
I appreciate you, bro.
All right, brother.
No, I appreciate that. He was nervous. Nigga, you nervous. Why you ain't requesting to go live? Nigga, you nervous too, nigga. Why you ain't requesting to go live? I don't know why y'all don't request. Like, look, you talking about another nigga nervous, but you ain't requesting shit. Like, why you didn't come in here? You scared too, nigga? You nervous? Like, nigga, you just want to watch. I just be watching it. I just be watching it. Nigga, he nervous too, nigga. This nigga.
Oh shit. What's good, Skoe? Hey man, I want to say been a fan for years. You always been like a funny motherfucker from like, you know, from over there in LA. Said I'm from Miami-Dade, and yeah, man, you really yeah. I said, fuck that, I'm telling you my profile picture. This nigga roasted me like what shit, you know, shit. But it's like for sure, man. For sure, man. Much love, bro. Much love.
Retreat, but I didn't like the way you had your hat on, but like I couldn't even tell, like I couldn't even hear what you were saying because your fucking hat was like pissing me off, like the way you just had it, like it was like somebody like beat you up, and then you like they put it back on your head, like yeah, fuck out of here, and then you just walked off like with however like I couldn't even hear what you were saying, but the hat was just annoying. That shit was just like somebody like beat you up and then like get up, nigga, like, here, get up out of here, nigga, get up out of here, cuz like better have my money, like something like just look like something happened to you, like you had good energy though. It looked like you was in the wrong place at the wrong time though, bro. You was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Oh shit, man. Went live from a small, like, yeah, that shit just wasn't working, bro. Like, whatever was going on, that shit just it wasn't working, bro. Mustache didn't connect. Why you want to talk about the man Mustache? See, like I was just talking about like the hat. You want to go and talk about the man Mustache and shit. Like, go try to use my shit like that. Yeah, you want to talk about the man mustache? Like, I ain't even say nothing about the mustache. I seen that though. I seen it, but I ain't even say nothing about that. I was like, I had some material off the hat. I saw something. I felt it. I went with it. Like whatever. But what I'm saying is like, yeah. Rest in peace, Zoda Roaster. Zoda Roaster. Who is that? I don't even know who that is. Zoda Roaster. Rest in peace, other roster. Brain sick. Get over here, bro. Like, why you say that? Like, really, like, I don't know. Like, I don't like that you said that because that's like, what do you mean brain sick? Like, what does that even mean? Like, like, then you got that look on your face in your profile pic. Like, what do you mean brain sick? Like, how sick? Like, how sick are we talking? Like, is here, like, are we talking about like seriously mentally disturbed sick or like just a little bit sick? Just like. I like to nut on feet sick, like weird shit, like what kind of sick, bro? Like, I'm just saying, bro, retreat. The movement. Like, man, what the fuck is that? Like, man, what the fuck does that mean? See, that's why you can't trust a nigga that ain't got no mustache, bro. Like, see, I see you got the beard. Nigga ain't got no mustache, bro. Like, man, that's why I don't trust that, man. Like, what the fuck is the movement? Like, man, see, you want to get on the black power shit. Like the movement. Like, what the fuck does that even mean? Like, Judas and the Black Messiah looking at us. Like, look, Jesus, like, man, what the fuck did I reach you? Man, we don't want to hear that shit, man. Black power shit. Like, Judas and the Black Messiah looking at shit. Oh, no. Go get it, Jay. These niggas scared. Oh, these niggas scared, bro. You scared, nigga. Stop being so scared. Come on, nigga. Like, stop requesting to go live. Then y'all niggas scared. Like, you niggas don't think, like, you niggas freeze up. And they, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, what's up, nigga?
Yeah, first 2 seconds, nigga. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. Come on, bro.
What you
Like, don't be scared. Show your face, bro. Don't be scared. Why you scared? Don't be scared. Show your face, my nigga.
Peter.
Why you hiding, bro?
Peter.
Nigga, my phone was tweaking, nigga.
No, it wasn't. Good.
Let's go, man. You finna let that nigga C-Mac whip you or what, nigga?
Man, you wouldn't even fight that nigga. You'll be scared as fuck, bro.
Yeah, I just want to know, nigga.
You wouldn't even fight him. Like, scared as shit, bro. I can tell about how small the Grizz is. You wouldn't even fight him.
That's about my mama drop kick that nigga. Hell, and I ain't fighting that big ass
You wouldn't
nigga.
fight him. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, bro,
I'm drop kicking niggas.
You wouldn't even fight him, though.
Hey, nigga, I need a one-hitter quitter on that nigga.
Bro, you ain't never one hit quitter.
What is you gonna do, though, Skoe? What is you gonna do? I need to know.
Life, my nigga. Like, don't lie. Whoever you ever one hit it quit it in your life, you ain't never one hit it quit it. Nobody in your whole life. So how you gonna
I
know you have it?
Yeah,
You ain't never in your life.
I KO'd a nigga. What you mean? This last night.
You lying, bro.
Nah, I'm lying like shit. You know I'm just fucking with you, nigga.
Like, you ain't never one hit it your whole life.
My man, no nigga did that. All right, so how many rounds, nigga? All right, look. All right.
Retreat, nigga. You can't. Ain't no coming back from that, nigga. Don't do that. Really. You ain't never one hit it or quit it, nigga, your whole life, bro. Like, so tell me what I better do it. No, you better, bro. You ain't never did that your whole life. You wouldn't even fight the nigga that I'm fighting. You'll be scared of that nigga. I'm not scared of that nigga. I don't give a fuck about how big he is. Oh, that nigga big. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, big niggas get knocked the fuck out. Nigga, I've been to prison 4 times, nigga. I seen big niggas get beat the fuck up, bro, by little niggas, bro. Like, poop. Like, bro, I don't give a fuck how big you is. You big buff ass big for nothing ass nigga. Like, bro, niggas be big for nothing. Like, bro, I don't give a fuck cause a nigga big, bro. Niggas be big for nothing. Big ass power bottoms. Like, bro, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Nigga big, he big. No, that nigga big. I don't give a fuck. Like, bro, what the fuck? Nigga, big ass power bottom, bro. This nigga be big for nothing. Like, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. Like, bro, big for nothing, nigga. I'll show you, nigga. Big for nothing. That shit don't mean nothing, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I seen some big ones get put down. Yeah, exactly. Yo,
like question, like I seen like with you and Mac, is it like for just like shits and giggles, or is it like some type of?
but retreat, man. Ain't give me no fucking interview. What the fuck you thought you were a DJ?
Hey, keep it a stack though, gang. One of these dreads is like 3 of gang, on hood. I'm trying to tell.
Tree, get your weird ass the fuck out of here, bro. I don't give a fuck about your hair, you weird ass nigga. Fuck you coming in twisting and twirling your hair like a bitch, fuck. Like, nigga, I don't give a fuck about your hair, nigga. Like, you came in twisting one of my dreads, nigga. Shut your bitch up. It sounded like some hoe shit, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You sounded like you fucking was born with a pussy, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. That was pussy shit, nigga. What are you talking about? Like, where the fuck you getting a grown ass man live talking about your fucking hair, bro? You weird ass nigga, but caked up ass, bro, product caked up ass shit, bro. That shit need a detox, like, what they call that shit, bro? The fucking, like, bro, you need a detox wash, bro. You need the apple cider vinegar and all this shit, bro. That like the crunchy looking ass shit, bro. Shit was short as fuck, bro. I ain't lying, bro. That shit was fucking show, bro. Why would you even make me pay attention to that short ass shit about things that I could have paid attention to during that conversation, bro? You made me pay attention to that bullshit, bro. Yeah, my hair, bro. That bullshit, short ass shit. Shut the fuck up, bro. You look zesty as fuck, bro. Lesbian looking ass boy, bro. Fuck you talking about, bro? Hey, what the fuck? Hey, bro. What the fuck this nigga talking about, bro? I hate when niggas just be saying shit, man. Don't just say shit, man. You can just say anything in the world, bro. You said that. Like, that's like, hey, bro. Could have said anything in the world, man. Like, it was like millions of like different sentences you could have said. You said that, like, bro. What the fight purse looking like, though? Like, bro, what the fuck you worried about a fight purse for, man? Like, get over here, man. Like, man, you just, like, man, you just like, what these prostitutes, man? Like, man, what the fuck you asking about a nigga fight purse for? What the fight purse looking like? What the fuck you worried about nothing, nigga? Like, fuck is gonna do for your pockets, nigga? Man, fuck out of here, bro. You wanna know how much money another nigga getting, bro? Like, what's your paycheck looking like for this week, nigga? Man, what's your paycheck looking like for this week, man? That's a nigga like, bro, with the purse looking like, bro. Fuck y'all niggas always worry about how much money another nigga making, man. I don't like that, man. I don't like that. I don't worry about how much the money another. What the fuck is gonna do for my pocket, man? I got my own rent to pay. I got my own pussy to pay for it, man. Like Black Ridge Street. Like, man, fuck out of here, man. I'm trying to come back. Like, that what you came back with? 14. Like, man, get the fuck out of here. Watch this. Wait, hold on. Add you more. Like, man, get over here, man. With that thick ass meat that ain't gonna never lose that baby weight, man. Like, you thought that you was like, man, look at me and my family. Like, man, look at that thick ass bitch. Like, man, she ain't gonna never lose that baby weight, man. She gonna have a fupa for life, man. Like, man, forever for life, man. You gotta eat that fupa, lick on that fupa, like, man, you ain't gonna never leave her. Like, niggas that take pictures like that, never leave their girl. You never leave your homie. Like, man, you gotta eat that fupa for life, man. For life, like, you ain't gonna never have no other good, but just that fupa, that fupa, like, that shit like a fucking chicken fajita pita. What that shit is, chicken fajita pita. What that jacking about shit? Chicken fajita pita. Like, you got that, you got that chicken fajita pita over there, homie. I see you though. I see you, Pedro. You got one. Like, she cool though. She cool though. Chicken fajita pita. Like, you got that big chalupa over there. Hey, I see you. You got that chalupa. the fuck? Got that chalupa over there, homie. I see you. I see. Oh, shit. You know what? You said some things. I felt something. I went with it. My bad, better. Serious shit, my bad, though. My bad. I didn't mean to talk about your lady like that, dog. My bad. You said some things. I felt something. I went with it. My bad. I apologize, bro. I didn't mean to talk about your high nut, though. They tell your high nut says Spencer, dog. Serious shit, tell your high nut says Spencer. Dispenser, man. Dispenser. No, serious shit, bro. I didn't mean to talk about your high nut like that, man. You just said some things. I felt something. I went with it. But I know when to stop myself. Like, you know what? You're going too far, eh? You talk about those high nut. Yeah. I just went in on the Vatos high nut. It's fucked up. That's fucked up. Okay, get back over here. Don't throw me with a good time.
Hey, Carl. Hey, Carl, nigga can't be showing his face out here, Carl.
Why you
on probation.
hide? You gonna hide? Oh man, you see how you act? Like why you act like that, man? Man, these niggas freeze up when they squeeze at us. You niggas freeze up when you squeeze at us, nigga. You try and shoot me or you try and shoot Jesus up, nigga. You niggas squeeze up. Hey.
What?
Yo.
Yo, Boskoe.
Yo.
Yo, what's the word?
What's the deal?
Huh?
What's the deal?
Ain't shit. What's good with you?
Retreat, let me get my weed looking up. Like that 5-year foreign looking ass nigga, like that 5-year foreign jumping looking ass nigga, like what the fuck you come in that smooth for, man? Do you think I'm gonna sit here and let you light your? Let me get my weed, like man. You think I'm gonna sit here while you light your fucking joint, man? Like we fucking homies, and you like man, fuck out of here, man. Fuck around with you, man. Think I'm finna sit here while you light your fucking, like, you know what I'm saying? Like we just be talking or something, like you know me like that, man. Weird ass nigga, man. Fuck wrong with you. Like we just be talking or shit. You know what I'm saying? Let me get my weed. Man, I'm just gonna sit here while you light your joint, hit your joint, act smooth and shit. Just smooth as the fuck I'm off. The fuck? Jesus. Let me get my weed.
What's up, Boskoe?
What's up with the champ?
Just chilling, man. Hey, I wanted to show you the Hardy. Check it out. So, this is my soft tail right here.
Okay.
You see
Oh
it?
shit! Yeah.
So check it out, bro. I changed the oil cooler because when they come stock, the oil cooler's usually right here, right?
Yeah.
But I moved it down here to the bottom, so now it runs like 30, 40 degrees cooler.
Cooler. Yeah. So you just, So you can get
So
up
check it out.
fast.
Huh?
This shit fast.
I mean, it's a 107. I mean, it's not too fast,
You can
but
make it fast. You got some cams in there.
yeah, I put a Woods cam in there. Some mom and pop manufacturer back east, you know.
the woods is
And,
dope. Woods are good.
and then I changed out the tappets and then the push rods and put
The
this
oil cooler,
exhaust.
yeah, that shit, your shit running hard.
So the dude who does it, check him out online or on YouTube is Oil Buds.
Oil buds, I seen
Yeah,
them
oil.
before. I seen them before.
Yeah, Oil Buds. And when he does the demonstration on YouTube, he actually he runs over it, shoots it, he does all kinds of shit to it, and he puts pressure on it, and it still works.
Where you at?
I'm in Oxnard, bro.
Oxnard?
Yeah, I'm in Oxnard.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
But yeah, man, I was just want to tap in. I haven't seen you riding your bike. I was like,
I appreciate it. No, I appreciate. Yeah, I sold my other Harley. I sold it.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm about to get a new one though.
I can see you pulling up on the bagger, bro.
Yeah, I ride baggers.
Yeah.
That's what I ride. Yeah, I ride.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
I ride baggers.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get to it.
I appreciate you, bro.
All right, man.
All right, bro.
Peace out.
Yeah. You still work at the nigga? I don't work at no warehouse. What you talking about, bro? Get your ass out. Yeah, that's sports. What's wrong with sports? Oh, you gonna talk about? Oh, you gonna talk about the man bike, nigga? We brothers are like, man, this bike like, bro. He ride like, how you gonna talk about the man bike, man? You gonna talk about the man bike, man? Fuck that. Like, nigga, that nigga shit running hard. Everybody that be on the bike shit, do we have in the back? Like, you know what I mean? The nigga be putting up on sports, it's still a Harley. Like, it is. It is a sportster, but you know, it's still a Harley. Like, you know, we'll talk about yeah, talk about the man bike. Oh shit! I'm talking about the man bike. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god, man! Good nigga, man. Sibling got a sibling got the sports today. What's wrong? Oh my God. Again, dark the duck out of 40. Hey, man, get over here, man, with your old face ass. Man, you thought you was like hiding behind that joint and that fucking big ass hat, nigga. You thought we want to go see that you were old and shit, man. Man, you like 47, man. Fuck you even worried about that for, man. You know, man, don't, man. You thought we was gonna skip past that, man. You thought you was looking like a young nigga. Y'all look young. Y'all gonna wear this hat. I'm gonna have a joint. Man, they don't even smoke joints, man. That's how you know you, man, old joints, man, we've been smoking a long time. We really don't supposed to be smoking blunts, man. That's how I know you, man, old face ass nigga, man, Ben Vereen looking ass nigga, nigga look like Ben Vereen, like Ben Rich. Oh, shit. He look like black on dirt.
Damn, Skoe, why you busting on me tonight, man?
No, my bad, bro. I said there's some else.
Hey, man, shit. Spare a nigga. Spare a Chico, shit.
Yeah, my bad. You heard my joke.
That was comedy because I'm a fan. I'm laughing with you. Fuck the bullshit. Hey, man. I'm gonna get back to the fucking comments though. I'm gonna let you do your shit.
That shit kind of weird too. Come on, man. Big Bang Uchi. Look, bro. Big Bang Uchi, bro. Come on, bro. Hurry up, bro. Whatever, bro.
Hey, cuz. Yeah, homies, cuz. So, hey, that fight, bro. I'm trying to get a back fade in.
Yeah, well,
You got some YGs from your hood?
well, who, Lupe?
You got some YGs in your hood?
Hey.
Shit, nigga.
Lupe?
Huh?
You say Lupe? Back fade in. I need you to fade Lupe. You gonna fade someone?
I don't know. Nah, that's not my homegirl, so I can't organize that.
I could organize that.
What's up? All right, we organize that, and I get in with your YG.
Look, my YG's to beat the shit out you, bro. Retreat, bro. My YG's, any of my YG's to beat the fuck out you, bro. Like Queen Street, like, bro. I call one. I know one in particular here beat the fuck out you, bro. Like, stop talking. I don't even know why you talking that, like, bro. I swear to God, bro. Like, I'll call my nigga, bro. I ain't gonna say no names, but I'll call one YG in particular. He gonna definitely beat the fuck out you in real life, bro. Like, like, bro. I swear to God, I promise to God, like, he gonna beat the fuck out you. You gonna be like, why, like, bro, why you even say that? Like, see, I wasn't even talking about that. You said that. You said it. I didn't. You said that, bro. Like, bro. I swear to God, bro. Like, nigga, like, bro. My young nigga, my nigga, beat the fuck out you, bro. Like, you know, I'm gonna call my YG. You say, get one of my YGs. So you can do it. Oh, that do it again?
Shit.
Look, retreat. You weird as shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you weird as shit, bro. You already ain't got no mustache, bro. You keep coming back, bro. Why the fuck you keep requesting to come back, bro? Weird ass, bro. Like, ain't you at work or something, bro? Like, bro, do a fucking job, bro. Weird ass nigga. You look creepy as shit, bro. You out in the stairwell smoking and shit, bro. Like, bro, you supposed to be working. You all in the stairwells and shit, smoking weed and shit, bro. Get your fat ass to work, bro. Weird ass all on Boskoe Live and shit with this crooked ass hat, but looking retarded and shit. I could do it myself. I could go to work looking ass nigga like that, special hair face ass nigga like that, short best riding ass, short bus riding ass nigga. You should have declined. Look, get over here, man. And I just noticed you got your hat the same way in your profile pic, man. What you mean I should have declined? You should stop requesting, you weird ass nigga. Like, but you the type of nigga that call a bitch phone and let it ring way more than 3 times, you weird ass nigga. I could tell, blood. What do you mean I should have declined? Why don't you stop calling, blood? Like, blood, point the finger ass nigga, but the finger point back ass nigga. Shut your weird ass up, like, blood. You definitely let the phone ring like 8 times. Ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. She busy, but ring, ring. She busy, but ring, ring, ring. Click. I called you. Do you send a bitch a text? I called you. She saw, man. Like, man, she said she had a missed call, man. She heard the phone, like, man, where the fuck the bitches go? But she saw. I called you. She knows, like, man, retreat, nigga, chill with us. I called you. I know. I know. I didn't answer. I know. I didn't answer. Oh shit! I called you. I know. I didn't answer. I didn't answer. Bro. Bro. Retreat. First 2 seconds. nigga too.
So what it do?
What up? Oh, what's up, my nigga, man? What that shit do, nigga? What the look at my nigga, man. What's the deal?
Man, I'm just hollering at you, bro. That's all.
Nah, it's good to see you, bro.
Hey, man, you better chip that nigga up, man.
Man, big on nigga.
Hey, bro, you
Hey,
better
man,
chip that
you
nigga
already
up,
know,
bro.
big niggas fall hard, bro.
That nigga look retarded.
Big niggas fall hard, bro.
He is not ready, bro. I'm telling you this.
Bro, big niggas fall hard, bro.
That ass gonna get tired. You watch what I tell you.
Oh, God, what's up with your brother?
All you had to do is just wait him out. He gonna get tired, bro. He gonna swing himself to sleep. He gonna swing himself out. You watch what I tell you.
I ain't worried about that nigga, man. That shit finna be like easy work, bro. Like, nigga,
hey, bro, I was just tapping in with you, though, my
yeah,
nigga. You stay safe
good
out
to
here,
see you,
bro.
though, bro. Nah, real nigga. It's good to see you, bro.
For sure, bro.
Yeah.
Always, my nigga. You know it's always.
Tell your brother I said what up.
Yeah, will do, bro. I got you.
Yes,
all right, bro.
All right, bro. He recording on a toaster. Nigga, get over here, man. Like, nigga, you sitting there like the first gangbanger ever at the fucking funeral site, but like, they look like you sitting at the first dead homie that ever died from the hood grave, nigga, on his birthday by yourself, nigga, with a 40 on. Like, yeah, I'm out here for you, cuz. Like, nigga, look at your dumb ass, like you out there by yourself, drinking shit. And nigga, somebody else was trying to visit their family. Like, hey, cuz, can you take a picture of me, cuz? Like, oh my God, like, okay, like, I'll take it. Like, it's okay, honey, just take it. Like, all right, all right, good looking, cuz. Like, dumb ass, like, Rich. Hey, can you take a picture of me, cuz? Okay. Yeah, just take it, honey. Just okay. I'll take it. All right. Thank you, cuz. Okay. Come on, honey. Let's see. Oh my God, this nigga got wicks.
Skoe gang.